Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi. I welcome you to our today's lesson. We are continuing with Introduction to Chemistry. And today I would like us to discuss the role of chemistry in the society. Chemistry is applicable in the society in diverse fields, and we are going to identify some of these fields where chemistry is applied. First of all, we can say that it's a career subject applied in the fields such as medicine, pharmacy, food technology, and so on and so forth. So basically, to be in a position to excel in careers such as medicine, pharmacy, and so on and so forth, it is important to have chemistry knowledge. Chemistry is also applicable in manufacturing, industries, and some of the manufacturing industries that apply chemistry is those that involve beer, wines, and spirits manufacture. We have examples of soaps and detergents making soaps and detergents. We also apply chemistry in the manufacture of artificial fabrics. We have such as nylon is an artificial fabric, polyester, etc. And all these are used in the making of garments that are used in the making of clothes. Chemistry is also applicable in the extraction of metals from their ores. And basically this one is applicable especially during mining. For example, we have some metals that are mined from the earth's crust or from the earth, and these particular metals are not mined in their pure form. They are obtained in their impure form. So they have to be taken through the process of extraction so that we can be able to extract the particular metal that we are looking for. We can also mention chemistry in the pharmaceutical industry. And this one is in the making of drugs. So this is not about now the prescription of the drugs, but how those drugs are arrived at. Yeah, pharmaceutical industries apply chemistry. So basically, these are some of the areas where chemistry is applied. It's applied as a career subject in careers such as medicine, pharmacy, food technology, and others. In the manufacturing industry, soaps and detergents artificial fabrics, wine, spirits, and beers, extraction of metals from their ores during mining or after mining has been done. And also we have the pharmaceutical industries where the drugs are manufactured. The other thing that I would want us to go through are some of the apparatus that we use in chemistry. We have apparatus that we use in the study of chemistry. And before we look at each one of those apparatus, it is important to understand that apparatus are sets of equipment that are used in the chemistry laboratory sets of equipment used in the chemistry laboratory to make learning easier, to make learning of the subject easier. Most of these apparatus are made of glass. And those apparatus that are made of glass, we refer to them as glassware. So glassware form the majority of the apparatus that we have in chemistry laboratory. So you can say that most laboratory apparatus are made of glass. That is, are called glassware. Why these apparatus are made of glass? There's a reason for that. And we can say that this is because, one, or A, glass is transparent. Glass is transparent, and this makes it easier to make observations or to make readings. The fact that it is transparent makes it easier to make readings or to make observations such as volume or changes in volume, temperature, and so on and so forth. The other reason why most of the laboratory apparatus are made of glass is because glass does not react with most chemicals used in the laboratory. So most of the chemicals used in the laboratory do not react with glass. Let's talk of acids. We have bases, they are applied there. We have most of the salts, they do not react with glass. So it is important that we understand why most of the laboratory apparatus are made of glass, or they are referred to as glassware. So from here, we look at now the apparatus that we use in the laboratory, and we have the various categories of apparatus used. For example, we have apparatus for measuring mass. We have e.g. The common one is electronic balance. We'll have an opportunity to see some of these apparatus. We have the top pan balance. We have the beam balance. So basically, those are some of the common apparatus that are used to measure mass. We also have the apparatus for measuring time. We have e.g. stopwatches, stop clocks, wall clocks, and so on and so forth. So for example, we can have a diagram showing a stopwatch. So a stopwatch resembles such an apparatus whereby it has some buttons you can start and stop to record the time taken, for instance, a reaction to take place. So you can start, stop, reset when you go to the next experiment. So it measures in seconds mainly. It also has minutes, and it also has microseconds. So we can say that a stopwatch is calibrated in minutes, seconds, and milliseconds to take care of different rates of reaction. There are some reactions that take place faster. There are others that are a bit slow. So a stopwatch caters for all of them. So that's an example of one of the apparatus that is commonly used for measuring time. We have also seen various apparatus that are used to measure mass, and mainly the mass in chemistry is mainly measured in grams because we handle small quantities of substances. So from that, we'll have an assignment. So on this area, you should answer the following questions. So the assignment is as follows. The first question: what is apparatus? 2, give 2 reasons why most laboratory apparatus are made of glass. Number 3, name all the apparatus used to measure A, time, and B, mass. We'll stop there. Until next time, goodbye.